Tired of your Afterpay balance just sitting there? Let's get that money into your bank account where it belongs. Unfortunately, Afterpay doesn't directly offer a feature to transfer funds to your bank account. But don't worry, we'll explore a workaround using a third-party service. The method involves using PayPal and linking it to your debit card associated with Afterpay. Keep in mind that this process might incur some fees depending on the service you use. First, open your PayPal app. If you don't have one, download it from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. Make sure your PayPal account is verified with your email address and phone number. Now, link the debit card that's connected to your Afterpay account to your PayPal account. Go to your wallet within the PayPal app and select Link a Card or Bank. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your debit card information accurately, including card number, expiration date, and CVV. Next, you'll need a trusted friend or family member who also has a PayPal account. Send money to them using PayPal. Simply select Send Money, enter their email address or phone number associated with their PayPal account, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Your friend or family member will then need to accept the payment in their PayPal account. Once they have the funds, they can then transfer the money from their PayPal account to their bank account. They'll do this by going to their PayPal balance and selecting Transfer to Bank. This process of transferring from PayPal to their bank account usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on their bank. Once the funds are in their bank, they can then send the money back to you through a preferred method, such as a bank transfer, Cash App, or even physically. Remember, this method involves relying on a trusted person and might incur some fees with PayPal. Always be aware of these fees before initiating the transfer. It's crucial to only do this with someone you trust completely. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Afterpay balance to your bank account, even if indirectly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.